All right, I see you in your jersey here. It says
Yes,
Digicel at the front,
Digicel.
schoolboy football.
Yes.
Bring us up to speed with this ambassadorial role that you'll be undertaking for this upcoming football season, schoolboy football season.
Well, it's very important to guide the young players, aspiring players who want to be professional players abroad. Obviously, the mentorship of this ambassador role is to help them, share my experience with them. Obviously, I've have vast amount of experience overseas as well. Being a product of the Manning Cup tournaments, obviously represented Camperdown High. So it's a good thing that the GCL actually have me here on board, and it's a pleasure to be here to actually share my experience and guiding these youngsters into being not only just proper players on the football field, but also good modern citizens to learn from some of my mistakes that I've made on and off the field, and as well to just improve their mental and physical attributes towards the game.
So it's a case of they reached out to you, or was it a case where this has been in the pipelines for a while?
Well, I spoke to Oliver McIntosh from Sportsmax. As you know, Digicel is a big part of
Yeah.
Sportsmax now. And we have spoken about that many times. So I think it's coming from Ali McIntosh as well, which is much credit and respect to him for obviously putting my name forward. And when Digicel came on board, I've done works before with Digicel via the national program. So as I say, I'm familiar with Digicel and doing these kind of roles. And obviously with my experience and obviously the leadership qualities that I assume and